I used to think budgeting was a financial straitjacket. I was stuck in the paycheck-to-paycheck loop, feeling that jolt of panic every time I swiped my card. But I'm not going to drown you in jargon. I'm sharing the dead simple system I use to get a handle on my money and build a future where I feel secure. Trust me, if I can do it, you absolutely can too. Section 1. The turning point. Why everything you've been told is wrong. My breaking point wasn't one big event, but the slow burn of constant stress. We're told that if you just work harder, you'll make more money and your problems will vanish. That is a trap. I realized more money was useless if I didn't know how to manage what I already had. The biggest lie is that financial literacy is about restriction. It's not about depriving yourself, it's about being intentional. The problem isn't you, it's that no one ever gave you a workable system. This is that system. Section 2, the system. Step 1, face the numbers without fear. First, we need to see where your money is going. Reframe this. You're not looking at your past to feel guilty. You're gathering intelligence for your future. For 1 month, your only job is to track your spending. Use a notebook or a notes app. Every time you spend money, rent, coffee, a subscription, write it down. Just the item and the amount. No judgment. You can't change what you don't measure. This step replaces vague anxiety with hard facts. Knowledge is power. Section 3. The system. Step 2. The 50-30-20 blueprint for freedom. Now you have your data. Give every dollar a job using the 50-30-20 rule, which splits your after-tax income into 3 buckets. First, 50% for your needs. These are the absolute must-pays: rent, utilities, groceries, and minimum debt payments. Next, 30% is for your wants. This is the fun stuff, from dining out to hobbies. This is your guilt-free spending money because it's part of the plan. Finally, the most important bucket, 20% for savings and debt repayment. This is you paying your future self first. Compare the numbers you tracked to this blueprint. The 50-30-20 rule is a compass, not a cage. It just shows you where you are so you can start making small, effective changes. If this is clicking, hit that like button so others can find this guide. Section 4, the system. Step 3, building your financial fortress. That 20% future you fund is where real security is built. First, build an emergency fund with 3 to 6 months of essential living expenses. This is your shield against unexpected car repairs or medical bills, letting you handle a crisis without diving into debt. Keep it in a separate, high-yield savings account. Once funded, attack your debt with the debt avalanche method. List your debts from highest interest rate to lowest. Make minimum payments on everything, but throw every extra cent from your 20% fund at the debt with the highest interest rate. Once it's gone, roll that entire payment onto the next one. This creates a payment avalanche that clears debt faster and saves you a fortune in interest. Section 5, the transformation, what life looks like now. Before, my financial life was pure chaos. Money controlled me. Today, the real change isn't being rich, it's having peace of mind. It's the quiet confidence of knowing I can handle an emergency. It's the freedom to make career moves based on passion, not desperation. I sleep better because my money has a purpose, and I'm the one in charge. This transformation is the natural result of using a simple system and sticking with it. So let's recap the 3 steps. 1. Track your spending for a month. 2. Use the 50-30-20 rule as your spending plan. 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% future. 3. Use that 20% to build an emergency fund, then attack debt with the avalanche method. That's the guide. Financial literacy is a skill you can learn. Your first step? Just write down the next thing you buy. To continue this journey, subscribe and comment below with your biggest financial goal. Thanks for watching.